iPhone or iPad Bluetooth not working? Here are 7 easy fixes. Toggle Bluetooth off and on. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it off. Wait for a few seconds and enable Bluetooth again. Try connecting to your Bluetooth device again. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Force restart your iPhone or iPad. To force restart your iPhone, press and release the volume up button on your iPhone's left side. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. Press the side button until you see the Apple logo. Release the side button and wait for the iPhone to load. To force restart your iPad with Face ID or Touch ID, press the volume up button and quickly release it. Press the volume down button and quickly release. Press and hold the top button. Release the top button when the Apple logo appears. To force restart your iPad with the home button, simultaneously press and hold the top button and the home button. Release them when you see the Apple logo. Forget and repair the Bluetooth device. Open the Settings app and go to Bluetooth. Find the device you're having issues with and tap the icon next to it. Tap Forget this device and confirm. Put your Bluetooth device in pairing mode. Go back to the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone or iPad and select the device to pair again. Ensure your Bluetooth device is compatible. Check the documentation for your Bluetooth device to ensure compatibility. Visit the manufacturer's website for more information. Consider using a different Bluetooth device if the device is incompatible. Reset network settings. In the Settings app, go to General. Scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode and confirm the action. Update your device's software. Open Settings and go to General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now. Reset the device to factory settings. Resetting your phone to factory settings will erase all your data, so be sure to back up your important files and information beforehand. Open the Settings app and go to General. Scroll to the end and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue. Follow the instructions on the screen to erase your device and set it up again. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.